Hey guys, this is SJ back at you with another video. So, coming back with you guys to talk about the server and pretty much just go through everything with you guys as far as configuring the server and fixing everything that's changed so far and making sure everything is up and running. So basically what I'm going to do is just show you everything. I've added two new things, these two Dell PowerEdge 860s. And beyond that, we're just basically going to configure everything. We're going to get these set up with a permanent IP address. So these are set to a specific IP address. I believe it's a static IP. Both of these servers as well, the file server and the web server. I'm also going to be adding a 1 terabyte hard drive to the file server. It's right over there. I'll be adding this hard drive right here to this file server. And yeah, we're going to just configure everything and make sure everything's up and running. As far as that, hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like and enjoy. So I got it working. Let's see if they come up on the scan. Go with exit out of that, clear, and then restart the scan. It should just come up. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. So both scans are coming up. Both servers, both new servers, of course. So let's go ahead and set up the permanent IP address for this server, the web server, and then we'll do the same thing for the file server, and then we'll start getting everything configured. All right, we got everything set up. Now the next thing to do is to go through, make sure all the IP addresses are pinging right, and after that we're gonna upgrade the file server, and yeah, that should be the end of the video soon after, but hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So everything is working good. We got everything down and pretty much nicely working. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through, I'm going to make a note of all the IP addresses for these 4 servers, and afterwards we're going to test it out. So we're going to start it with, we're only going to start the top one, the first PowerEdge, and then we're going to make sure all these IP addresses stay the same regardless of which one is up first, so they're not changing IP addresses. And yeah, so let's keep it going. I just realized something. I did not take note of all the IP addresses for each server. Cool. So from what I know, that these top 2 should be 100 and 102, and the bottom should be 104 and 103. Hopefully they stay the same. Let's turn it back on. So we'll start with the first one. So 100 and 102. Sorry for the jet engine sound. Once we get this one started and we check and make sure it's working right, we'll turn on the rest of them and make sure they have the correct IP configuration. So instead of loading them in order, I'm going to load them out of order. So I know that these 2 are supposed to be 100 and 102, but after I load this one, I'm going to start the file server at the bottom and make sure that stays at 104, and this one's supposed to be 103, and yeah, so on and so forth. So the top one is 102. So my camera just died, and yeah, I don't feel like recharging it right now, so we're just going to continue on my phone. Let's go turn on the file server. Is up 100. Server's not up, so the web server isn't up. That's why it's not working. Or is it? No, it's working. It's up. The server's up. Cool. Perfect. Everything's up and running. We can close the terminal and we can shut everything down. So we're gonna do now, well, we should need to power off the rest of everything else, just so the switch and everything can stay up. We've powered off everything, so let's go ahead and unplug the server from the back. Pull this up. Let's go ahead and set it down for a second. So here's the server. It's pretty spare. Let's go ahead and get this 1 terabyte hard drive. We have everything we need to mount everything. I believe I'm missing something. No, I'm not. So what we're gonna take this one out. So I'm gonna pull this cord. And we're gonna mount this one over here. Oh, idiot. Let's go unplug this. It's really hard doing this with the camera in my hand, so. Hard drives, you've got to be really careful. Vibration can really damage them. And because I don't have an actual tray to hook this up, it's actually pretty dangerous to do this. Got a lot of risk here. So we can plug this in, and then let's go ahead and do it like this. No biggie. And what we'll do is we'll switch around the cords. Here we go. So the server hard drive is in. Let's go ahead and reattach this bad boy and put you down for a second. Put it back on top of the UPS. Let's go get everything from the back and plug it all in. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug into the file server and we're gonna make sure that drive is up and running. All right, I am being ridiculous. Let's go back here, put our files, local disk. I don't remember having the password, but okay. So let's go ahead and format. Local disk. Most compatible, we're gonna do NTFS, and then we're gonna format. quick format, and the drive is usable. Perfect. Wherever you use the drive. So now both things are on here. Both drives are looking good. Local disk showing up. So we're good now. Can shut everything off. And everything was a success. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It does help out. If you want to check out any other videos, I'll have them linked down below. My most recent video linked down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.